gorgeous. Ta-da! Whoa!
You're gonna film yourself crashing.
I know. But now I have a dash cam.
True.
Yo, did you
There.
see?
Now
Did
we
you see
got
Kanye's Lamborghini? No, Kanye's Lambo.
Yeah,
Are you
I
analyzing?
got that on pre-order. I pre-ordered
No,
that.
it's just this.
Something like that.
Yo, you know what?
You know what?
You know my Aunt Brenda, the one that lives in that big house with my mom?
Yeah?
You know what she did?
What'd she do? You got weed?
She owed my...
No?
No.
What the fuck?
Why are we going to the dispensary?
What the fuck? What the actual fuck, man?
What weed do you expect that would
I
happen?
thought we were gonna smoke on the way there in the car, but now I found
Stop
out.
in an SQ.
Hell no. I'm not going to
There you
SAQ. SAQ. I'm not going to SQ for shitty weed to buy. Go buy good weed.
We could go buy a joint.
Should I honk?
Yo, Ethan.
What?
You know, man?
Wait, I have a question. Does this place only take cash?
Yes.
Fuck. Forgot.
They have an ATM there.
I can't take cash. I can e-transfer someone. I have to fix my account. My account's been broken for fucking months.
Stop in an ATM real quick.
I can't. I have to go to the actual bank.
Yeah, stop in a bank.
RBC? It'll take me a while. I don't even think... I have to fix my shit, and I have to bring my Medicare card, which I don't have.
You don't have your...
Can I add a song? You know it's Purim, right? They're probably doing that because of Purim.
Yo, listen!
Can I add a song to Ethan? Yo, Ethan. Electric pole? Like almost hit the... What do you call that?
How high were you?
No way.
I know, this guy is...
Couldn't see shit. We gotta roast it. We gotta roast it over the
Road's twisting the camera like it's a fucking sausage.
Yeah, we're roasting. We gotta roast it. We gotta get the maximum view angles of the money. I'm rotisserie.
Guys, we should take that money.
I'm rotisserie that bitch.
We should take that money and bring it to the casino.
Hey, you wanna put that all on red?
Yes.
Hold me up.
I'm on the microphone.
I'm not going in with you.
Alright, fuck you. Stay outside.
In my head. Yo, you gonna attach your razor to that?
Goofy ass motherfucker.
Bro, he just like, what is he staring at, bro? I don't. It's not. Get that nice 100 FPS, 120 FPS.
Alright,
We can do
it's all
4K.
yours,
Do
buddy.
4K, do 4K.
Go crazy. It's done. It's
So 4K?
Yeah. Go.
100 FPS? Alright.
Let's go. Just go.
Fuck yeah. Are you sure it's not gonna fall off? It feels
No, it's fine.
feels like, I don't know.
Just go. Just skateboard. And watch the cars.
Alright.
Somewhere in the back, American boy meets American girl.
Is that 360 camera, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. American boy. It's American, bro. I literally just pulled it out. That's the 360 camera, right? Bro, we could go around, pretend we're like popular streamers. We could probably get free shit, free clout. Like, we could pull up Instagram, be like, yo, look, I got 20K followers, viewers right now. 2 million people are watching right now. Oh my god, look, Drake's in the chat. Drake's
My thing is trying to connect to your camera. My phone is trying to connect to your camera. Want me to control it for a bit?
No, it's fine.
You know what?
No, you know what? I mean, we're leaving, right? So they can kick me out right now.
They're not gonna kill you. You're just gonna go.
Public space.
You're allowed to record it.
Am I?
Yeah, of course.
What
Stores don't let you record.
What if I have to say I'm a Russian?
I don't know why they don't let you record the stores. It's
What
like the weirdest rule. Why do you think they don't let you record? For the customers.
Russian spies.
I think it's for the customers.
That's what I think. And I'm running from the cops. Snitches, bitches, always get stitches. I walk through the airport. Smoking a joint or jerking off?